Today is Friday, August 13th, 12:48 Eastern Standard Time. It's 9:48 Pacific. And this is a video of the second video of stuff that's wrong with the truck. So come to find out that that piece right there is broken. It's just gone. And the vent right here doesn't close all the way because it's broken right here, and it's broken right down there. The AC whistles like crazy when it's on high, and also when it's on number 3. So there's number 3. There it is on high. That should not be happening. The seat is not installed correctly, and the back of the seat itself moves, so it's broken. When you raise the seat, it grinds. I don't know what happened to it, what you guys did to it, but it grinds. And it doesn't retain the air pressure. The seat itself will lose air. Takes about a minute, but all the air in the seat will go away. It went down right there. Went down right there. It just dropped. All the air pressure in the seat is gone. So it is a broken seat.